Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. An architect has designed an HPE blade system with Flex 10D Virtual Connect that connects to HPE 5830 switches. The architect needs to ensure that the solution simplifies the customer's campus Ethernet. Which additional HPE technology should the architect recommend to the customer? Option A. Intelligent Resilient Framework, IRF. Option B. Shortest Path Bridge MAC in MAC, SPBM. Option C. Fiber Channel over Ethernet, FCOE. Option D. RDMA over Converged Ethernet, ROS. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, Fiber Channel over Ethernet, FCOE. Question 2. A customer needs to deploy SAP HANA. The customer needs a scale-out solution to accommodate an increase in workload over the next 2 years. Which ProLiant series should the architect recommend to the customer? Option A. HPE ProLiant 300. Option B. HPE ProLiant 100. Option C. HPE ProLiant Blade System. Option D. HPE ProLiant 500. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, HPE ProLiant Blade System. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.